Okay, so we are live and welcome to my channel. Let's see a weekly analysis on the forex market. Okay, so this is the gold chart at 4 hour. Let me check at the first weekly time frame. Okay, so this is the weekly chart of the gold, and let me see 200 moving average also. Okay, so the 200 moving average still supporting this level. You can see right here, and let me check on the daily 200 moving average also, which is also showing some support on 200 moving average. Okay, and let's see on the daily time frame about this candle. Okay, so I can see this candle behalf of volume, which is absolutely still higher than on moving average. Okay, this is the volume moving average 21, and it's still higher. Okay, so it's showing us the price is still going upside from that level, and I can see about right here this support level on gold. Okay, so on daily chart I can see price is still holding this 1900 level, and the resistance level is still on 1925. Okay, this is the primary range, and I can see a bullish Wyckoff structure around here. Okay, this is the primary range and a bullish Wyckoff structure. This is the B phase we can see on 1900 level. Okay, and let me check on 4 hour also. Okay, let me open my fundamental sheet, and okay, and let's check for fundamental first. The upcoming week news, the next week. Okay, the next week is started from this week, July 10. Yeah, this one, and economy calendar, obviously this week. Okay, so on this week we have a news coming, which is high impact on Monday, which is medium impact. First of all, the JPY pairs, then AUD pairs. Okay, so let's check first AUD pairs. So the AUD pair, we have a news coming, which is showing us a building approvals. Okay, building approvals, we can see the forecast is high. You know that this month they already posed their interest rate by 4.1%, the same interest rate which is on June. Okay, and we can see our building approvals right here. Okay, so the news is coming for June. Okay, and the June, and they rise their interest rate. So I think so the building approvals will May. Okay, MOM. So I think so the building approvals news will already forecast is high, so we are looking for bullish on AUD. Okay, we are looking for bullish AUD, and we already have previous weekly news that NFP data, which is very low. Okay, NFP data is very low, so we already have weak on DXY, so we are looking a slightly buy side on AUD. Okay, for the next week. So right now I can see the market still break the structure to the downside. From here you can see, first of all, the market break this structure, this triangle, to the upside, and price tested this higher time frame supply level and breaking this structure to the downside right now, and price is still on the moving average on 200. Okay, and which we are looking a higher low and higher high. Okay, and right now we can see the market still on a trend line, which is you can see here, and on the 200 moving average also. So if the price will go upside around, you can measure this fib level. Okay, so we can looking for this supply level, you can see by here. Okay, and on 50% level also. So if the price will go slightly bullish on the news, so then we will look for the sell again. Okay, because it's a higher time frame supply level, so slightly we can look a short-term downtrend from if the price will go upside from here. Okay, so we are looking down again on AUD USD. So let me check the AUD USD. So recently the price is taking inducement, and the lower low is confirmed from here. This is our lower low, and price taking inducement already. This is your lower high, because this is your breakout structure from here, and after the breakout structure price taking inducement. And if the candle is closing above from here, so we are looking for this imbalance level. Okay, you can see the high volume, and if the market will break this structure to the upside, if the candle is closing above from here, suppose, so this is our change of character at 4 hour. If the candle is closing from this level, and you have imbalance also here, you can see the imbalance. So if the market will going upside from this level, and candle is closing above from here, so we are looking buy again from this imbalance level, maybe here again. Okay, or maybe right now I can see market just rejecting this level, 4 hour candle closing something like a inside bar or something. So maybe the price will do something reversal, making a pole and flag pattern at a lower time frame, something like this. Okay, then it will go bullish. Okay, so maybe we can go at lower time frame like 1 hour, and we have to look for a diversion, and we have to look for 50% or 60% of this candle. Okay, we can see the 50% level is here, and the 61.80 level is here. Okay, so if the price will do something like this one, then we are looking for the buy, because it will make a diversion. It will make a diversion if the price will go slightly downside. Okay, price is in our bought area right now, and if the price will go slightly down, so you will see the diversion will happen around here. The market will going something around here, and it will go around here. Okay, so then we are looking for the buy around 60%, 61.80 or something like that zone. Okay, on the AUD USD. So the 4 hour, you can see the change of character is right here. And let me check on gold right now. Okay, so this trade is running from the past week, and I am still holding this trade on my funded account. Okay, and I am expecting right now, let me show the another gold chart which is clear right now. Okay, so this is the 4 hour chart, and we can see the 200 moving average still here. Alright, and the 4 hour, I can see the breakout structure recently is right here. This is the breakout structure. So if this is the breakout structure, so this is your lower high. Okay, if the candle is closing above from 1937.29, so this is your change of character. So if the market will closing this candle above from this zone, so this is your change of character, and then market will come back again, maybe this support level, or maybe this imbalance level. Okay, 1920 or something, then we will look for the buy again. I'm still holding this trade, and if the candle is closing above from this level 1937.29, so this is our change of character at higher time frame, then we can look for our flip zone, like this is our flip zone. Okay, flip zone mean after the change of character that market will make any imbalance. Okay, and let me check to the lower time frame, like 1 hour or maybe. So the 1 hour I can see the market uh, candle closing above from this level and doing some pullbacks with low volume. Okay, and let me check any diversion or something at 50-minute time frame. So the 50-minute time frame, I can see this zone you can see this level around here to here, and this level around here to here. So I can say it's a bullish diversion. Okay, and if the price will go continue at oversold area around 30, then we are looking for the buy again on gold. And let me check at lower time frame any order block or something. So this is, I can see a pole and flag. This is the pole and low volume pullback. You can see the low volume below the cloud. Okay, so this is the below the cloud volume, so this is the low volume, and you can see the market breaking the structure. This is the market structure break on upside by this move. Okay, and so we have to look for a valid order block right now. So we have to find a good imbalance level. So I can see a imbalance around here by this candle also, and let me check at 50-minute time frame. So the 50-minute I can find this candle also. Okay, so we are looking for this level. This is the good level for the gold if you are looking for the buy. Okay, this is also a discount level. You can draw your fib level from here to here, and you can see the exactly 78.60 zone around this order block, and you have a little imbalance also right here. Okay, so if the market will doing something like this, market still going downside, then we have to look around here any change of character in lower time frame. My mean is if you have to go 1 minute, and you have to find around this level any change of character. Like if the market still going downside and the candle is closing from your recently lower high in lower time frame, then you have to look pullback, then you have to buy. Okay, this is a confirmation the price is going upside. This is your change of character at lower time frame. This is your break of structure, and you have to look for your change of character. Okay, after the change of character you have to buy. So this is analysis on higher time frame and lower time frame. This is the structure. This is the bullish Wyckoff, I can see. Okay, at 1 hour this is the bullish Wyckoff. You can see on Google also, bullish Wyckoff. Around here. Okay, this is the range, and you can see the B phase, and you can see the spring, the exactly same level here. B phase, this is your spring, this is the A phase, B phase, this is your C phase, continue. Okay, so the market will continue push to the upside. Alright, and let me check another level on the gold. Okay, okay, so we are looking for this particular level around here to here, and this is also on order block is below from 50% level. That means this is a demand level. Okay, this is a demand level. So we are looking for buy around 1980 level on the gold. Let me check Euro USD also. Okay, this trade is running on paper trade. I took this paper trade only, not on funded account. So on the 4-hour, let me check. So the 4-hour, I can see this is our higher low and this is our higher high. Market still balance this level 1.8000. You can see market still holding this level around this higher low, and you can see the range between this higher high to this higher low, and market you can measure this move from here to here, and you can find out the market still approaching the level is 78.60. okay, so you can see market just breaking this resistance trend line, and the test is also happen, and this is a news candle. Okay, so this is a news candle, and you can see the opposite chart of Euro USD is USD CHF. Okay, so the USD CHF on 4-hour, you can see market still recently breaking this structure to the downside. You can see the break of structure is done at 4-hour, and this is your inducement level. Okay, so we can expect that market will do something like this, going upside, take the inducement, okay, and then it will go down. Okay, always market will take the inducement, then it will go down. So you can see this is our recent low here, and after the market will take inducement, then it will confirm our lower low. Okay, so maybe on the Euro USD right now, market will go slightly downside. Okay, fill these imbalance, or you can measure this move by fib level also, and you have 50% level on this one, and you have 61.8 is around here. Okay, so we are looking buy again on these levels. First of all, this liquidity, okay, which is important one. You can see by, let me remove this trade. So you can see this liquidity, okay, and which is important. Maybe the market will going downside, something like this, and take this liquidity and going up. It's possible, and maybe it will do it will fill this imbalance level maybe, okay, which is on around here. This is your imbalance level. Okay, you can see the imbalance is started from here. This is whole thing is your imbalance. Okay, so maybe the market will make this kind of a structure, low volume pullback, then it will create a diversion, then it will go upside. Okay, same thing like this one. This is your pole, this is your low volume pullback flag. Okay, I can show you this pole and flag at higher time frame also on Euro USD. Let me show you at daily time frame. Okay, so you can see this is your pole and this is your flag. Low volume pullback. Right now market is going upside with a high volume. Candle is closing above from this resistance trend line with a high volume, you can see. Okay, so we can expect that market will go continue push to the upside around here. Okay, so we are looking for right now pullback, and you can see the daily imbalance level of this candle is around here. So we are looking buy again from this level. The level is something 1.90, the psychological level 1.09000. Okay, if the market will going downside with a low volume, you have to look buy around this level. Okay, you have a high volume also, which is also confirmations. Okay, so this is Euro USD analysis, and the same thing on USD CHF also. You can see the market just going downside, candle is closing below from your lower low, so the breakup structure is done, and this is your imbalance level. Okay, and this is your inducement level, the first pullback. So market will go upside around here, take the inducement, then it will go down again. Okay, and on the daily time frame, and or maybe on the 4-hour, you have a little imbalance around this level USD CHF. Okay, so maybe some market will do something like this one also. It will take the 50% of this candle going down, take this fair value gap, then it will take the inducement. Okay, same scenario on USD CHF. I will share this chart also on my Telegram channel. And let me check GBP USD right now. So the same structure on GBP USD also. This is the pole and this is the flag with the low volume. Okay, and you can see market also breaking this resistance trend line, which is right here around. Okay, this is already break. It's already break and already test done around here. Okay, so if you see, the market will sweep this liquidity recently and going downside. Okay, so you have to look buy again by this level. You can see below from 50% level, below from 50% level, maybe by this liquidity, this one. If you find out any price approaching your level here, or maybe 50% of this candle, so you have to look for the buy. Okay, and you can buy from this level and you can set your take profit around this level. Okay, you have the psychological zone is 1.27, and above from this level you have a imbalance on lower time frame, so you have to look by around here, and your TP is below from 1.30 level. Okay, because on the daily time frame, if you see the left side, you have a imbalance around 1.3000 level. Okay, the chart is looking like this. So maybe the upcoming news on the GBP is going bearish because they already increased their interest rate by 0.5 VPS. That's why. So maybe the market will go upside, then it will go down again. Okay, it's possible because this is a higher time frame supply area, and you have imbalance, and you have the breakout structure also, and you have the psychological zone which is 1.3000 something. Okay, so we are looking buy for the short term around here to here, then we are looking sell from here to the trend line level is here. Okay, this is your trend line at a daily time frame on GBP USD. Okay, so if the market will sweep this liquidity, then you have to look for the buy side again, because market will do some pullbacks, and you have to look for 50% of this candle, maybe below from the 50% level, below from the 50% level. Okay, and this candle is previous day low, I mean this one, and you have imbalance also around here. Okay, so let's look on the 4 hour. So if the market approaching your zone around here, so you have to look buy. Okay, on the GBP USD. Let me check the USD JPY. Okay, this is your breakout structure, so this is your higher low, and candle is closing below from your level, so this is your change of character at 4 hour. If this is your change of character, you have to look for first pullback level. Right now market not doing some pullbacks, you have to look the zone is around the first pullback around here. Okay, because the candle sweeping the previous candle high is here, and you can see the market doing to the downside with a single leg. Okay, this is the single leg, market not doing any pullbacks around here. So you can see by this candle going down, this candle is still in the range, and the next candle sweeping this previous high, so maybe our inducement level around here. Okay, so we are looking for sell again if the market will going upside again, and by this wick also be careful on this wick, because you have imbalance around here. Okay, so maybe you will see something move, maybe it will go up, sweep this one, then you have to look sell again. Okay, this is a technical analysis. Okay, and I can see also on DXY chart. Let me show you the DXY level around here. Okay, so this is a single structure after the market change of character done, market doing pullbacks and going down again, market taking inducement, your lower low is confirmed, and market still on the this a single structure. This is a single structure, I mean this is a single structure on 4 hour. Okay, the same structure looks like on USD CHF. Okay, you can see this structure, the single structure. Okay, the same structure on DXY also right now, and this is a lower time frame change of character. Okay, I can show you at lower time frame like 1 hour. So this is your uptrend, and this is your recent breakout structure. So this is your recent breakout structure, and this is your higher low, then candle is closing below from that level, so the change of character is done. So this is a short like lower time frame structure. Okay, this will confirm that market is going downside with the high volume also. Okay, so we are waiting for the candle will close from this level. This is your level 101.44. if the candle is closing below from this level, and then we are looking for retracement level on the upside, maybe around here. Okay, maybe around this level. Okay, but we have to wait for our pullback, the first pullback. Right now the market is moving on the single leg. मार्केट अभी भी यहाँ पे नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है सिर्फ सिंगल लेग में. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे अपने को एक पुल बैक देखना है. यहाँ पे अपने मार्केट का करेक्शन देखेंगे. अगर मार्केट यहाँ पे ऐसे करके कुछ और ऐसे ब्रेकआउट स्ट्रक्चर करे, कुछ इस टाइप का कोई ब्रेकआउट स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए जहाँ पे अपने को इंड्यूसमेंट लेवल जल्दी फाइंड हो. वी आर लुकिंग फॉर द इंड्यूसमेंट. इफ द मार्केट इज डूइंग सम करेक्शन गोइंग डाउन, देन इट विल गो अप. Okay, then it will break the structure to the downside. So we have looking for our inducement liquidity. Okay, so we can see the structure on the 4 hour is still bearish, and the change of character on 4 hour is here. Okay, this is a lower time frame change of character, and you can see the daily time frame also. It's a bearish structure. Price taking a order block level which is around here first time, and it will going up, take the inducement level, then it will go down, making the support level again, and you can see the 50% level of this move. Okay, almost 78.60 around here. If you draw your fib level from top to downside, let me delete the previous one. You can see this move around here to here, and the second move is around to here already test 78.60 by this structure. Okay, so it's a still downtrend, and we are looking for more down move. Okay, on DXY. So this is analysis on DXY, and we already done analysis on Euro USD, we already done on GBP USD, we already done on USD JPY. If you have more pairs, so let me know, we can do the analysis. Let me check US 30 right now. Okay, we will check New Zealand CAD also. Okay, I can see on daily time frame this is a double top formation, and this is our support line. Neckline is here, I mean demand level. Simple structure. Okay, and this is our liquidity which is on daily time frame. Okay, so if the candle is closing below from your liquidity level, okay, so we are expecting to the move will go around bullish again, because you can see this previous candle. Okay, you see this previous candle, and you have to draw your fib level from this previous candle around here to here, and you can see the next day candle almost test his level 50%. Okay, you can see the test is already done on 50% level, and market still doing the bearish thing. you can see the volume is also high. Okay, so this is a downtrend, so we are looking for the breakout of this level. If the candle is closing below from this your level, so we are looking for a buy side for short term buy like test. Okay, then we are looking for the sell again, maybe by this wick. This wick is your now supply level. Okay, because you can see the daily bias, this wick is your supply level. If the candle is going continuation to the downside, so this candle become your supply level. Okay, so on the US 30 we can see a bearish move, maybe by, you can see this structure, and this is prices on 50% level, and you have imbalance around this level. Okay, on 78.60 and your breaker block level also. So maybe we are looking buy around this level, maybe 33,267 or maybe 33,400 or something around this level. Okay, if the price is approaching your level, so we can look for the buy. Or maybe this is 61.80, this liquidity you can see on the daily chart. This is a daily low around here, so we have to focus on these liquidity, which is very important. Maybe the market will sweep this one, will go up for the short time, and maybe the market will sweep this one and go up for the short time maybe. Okay, but we have to focus on these two liquidity, which is very important. And you have imbalance also here, and this is your breaker block level. Okay, this is the US 30. Let me check New Zealand CAD, and let me check the economy calendar for the previous for the next week. So the next week, this week I mean, okay, and we have CAD news coming on 6 p.m. and this is a building approvals by month on the May. So let me check the May data. So on the May we can see the CAD is already posed their interest rate into the May, so we can expect a higher building approvals, real estate and the building approvals. Okay, so maybe yeah, it's already, yeah, we are expecting a higher building approvals on the May. Okay, so let me check the forecast if they have any. They don't have a forecast right now, they only have the previous data. Okay, you can see the previous data around here also. So the previous data is very negative, so we are expecting this time a bullish data on the CAD. Okay, because they already posed their interest rate. So if any country pose their interest rate, which is good for maybe building approvals, maybe people will take loans from the central bank or maybe any banks with a low interest rate, and they will invest into their homes or something, and building approval maybe more higher maybe. Okay, so we are looking for CAD strong for on the Monday. Okay, we are looking the CAD on the bullish side on the Monday. So the New Zealand CAD on Monday, maybe you have to look. Let me delete these trades, and let me look for the 4 hour. Let me draw our market structure. Let me draw the market structure, then we have to look. Okay, the recently I can see market just breaking this structure on the upside. Okay, and this is your higher low, and we have to look for the pullback. So this is your pullback. Okay, this is your pullback, and market still going downside on these pullbacks. This is your higher high here, this is your higher low, and the breakout structure also. We are looking for the inducement level right now. Okay, the inducement level. So I have to look for the valid pullback around this level. So market still on the single leg. You can see the single leg here, and market still going upside. The first pullback is around here, but market still not taking the inducement. Price going higher again by this candle, because you can see this candle already swept this high and continuation on upside, and this candle sweep the whole candle low. Okay, and if any of candle will sweep this liquidity around here, it will take the inducement and it will confirm your higher high around here. Okay, if the market will take the inducement level around here, if the market will do something around here, it will take your inducement level, it will confirm your higher high. When it will confirm your higher high, so it will go maybe upside again, or on this is the 2-hour chart, so maybe on the Monday it will go down according to the news, also according to the technical analysis also. Okay, so maybe it will cover up something, these pips, 28 pip or 29 pip. Okay, so we are looking for the buy again from this demand level. Okay, this is the bullish structure, so we are looking for the buy. So maybe market will take the inducement, it will confirm his higher high, then we are looking for the buy from this inducement liquidity. Okay, this is the New Zealand CAD analysis, and you can see on the daily time frame, this is a pole and this is the flag pattern, and market already come to the downside by 61% level of this move, and you have imbalance around here. You can see this is your imbalance, and market already filled this imbalance level around here, and market still going upside, and we have a breaker block level on daily time frame, so we are looking buy, and our TP is below from this level. You can see the breaker block also here, you can see the resistance trend line also here, and you can see the 200 moving average also around here. Okay, so this is a New Zealand CAD. And I will share the chart into the group, and make sure that you will like this video on YouTube also. Thank you.